11:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois State Police. At the request of the Markham Police Department, the Illinois State Police is activating the Amber Alert system. At 2 p.m. today, Lynn Roby and Jordan Washington were taken by their father, Lynn Washington. The children are believed to be in danger. They were last seen in a silver 2004 or 2005 Chevrolet Malibu or Impala. Anyone with information about their whereabouts should contact 911.
That person is allergic to lobster. I guess the kind of person that works in a library.
It's not a
I know, it's a museum. Well, you're the only one around here who can make a joke. At least mine was funny. Waiter, we will have 2 lobsters and a menu.
So, Dr. Green, how's the old boat?
They found rust. You know what rust does to a boat?
Gives it a nice antique look?
Rust is boat cancer, Ross.
Well, I'm sorry. When I was a kid, I lost a bike to that.